In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill color in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any object in your document and apply a clean, consistent fill color using Inkscape's built-in tools. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along the first time. Start by launching Inkscape on your computer. When the program opens, you'll see the main canvas in the center, a toolbar on the left, and panels around the edges depending on your layout. If a new blank document appears, that's fine. You can still proceed to open your existing work. Next, open the document you want to edit. Use the menu at the top to open your file so you're working with the right content. Give Inkscape a moment to load everything. Complex documents can take an extra second. Once your artwork is visible, you're ready to target the object you want to color. Select your object using the selection tool, the arrow at the top of the left toolbar. Click once to select a shape. If items are grouped, a second click may dive inside the group, or you can click carefully to pick the specific element you need. You should see selection handles appear around the object when it's active. With the object selected, go to the Object menu at the top and choose Fill and Stroke. This opens the Fill and Stroke dialog, usually docked on the right. If it's already open, just make sure it's active. Inside the dialog, switch to the Fill tab. This tab controls the interior color of your selected object. You'll also notice separate tabs for Stroke Paint and Stroke Style, which affect outlines, but for now, we're focused on the fill. Choose Flat Color by clicking the solid square icon. This tells Inkscape you want a single uniform color rather than a gradient, pattern, or no fill. As soon as Flat Color is active, your object will adopt whatever color is currently set. Now refine the color. You can use the RGB sliders if you prefer red, green, and blue channels, or switch to HSL to work with hue, saturation, and lightness. If you have a specific brand or web color, paste its hex code into the hex field, like F000 for pure red. Make sure the alpha or opacity slider is at 100% if you want a fully opaque fill. Lowering it makes the object transparent. If the color doesn't change, confirm the object is still selected. That's it. Launch Inkscape, open your file, select your object, open Fill and Stroke, choose Flat Color, and set your color with RGB, HSL, or Hex. Happy designing!